Today I'm going to tell you 5 body lotions that will give you a soft and glowy skin. See, my book is full. I'll be telling you the size, I'll be telling you how to use it for best results, I'll be telling you where you can get it, I'll be telling you the price. Welcome, I'm Nyero, an aspiring cosmetic chemist and lab scientist. This channel is about teaching you all about how to get a glowy, clear skin. So subscribe and turn on the post notifications if that's something you're interested in. So 1 hour after every video, I'll be in the comment section to answer all questions. So turn on your post notifications so you can catch me and easily get an answer from me. So let's get on with the video. These lotions are for all skin types or complexions. I'm going to be talking about lotions to brighten the skin, lotions for dry skin, lotions for sensitive skin. So stay tuned. So the first cream on our list is Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula with Vitamin E Daily Skin Therapy. Its main ingredients are cocoa butter and vitamin E oil. Cocoa butter, as we all know, contains a lot of rich antioxidants for the skin. Vitamin E is an antioxidant. These 2 ingredients make it so moisturizing. Now, I don't want to bore you guys with all the other many ingredients, so I'll just put it on the screen if you want to go in depth. But these are the 2 main ingredients in this cream. Okay, the size is 400 ml. If you have a dry, cracked feet, this is what you just do. Dampen your feet, apply this cream to your feet, put on the socks and leave overnight. When you wake up in the morning, your skin will be so soft. So the second lotion on our list is this NY Clear Glow Body Milk. Contains kojic acid, niacinamide, Moroccan argan oil, hyaluronic acid, shea butter, vitamin E oil, mulberry extract, all just for your skin. It glows the skin, deeply hydrates and repairs damaged skin. Maybe you bleached your skin and you want to return back to your original color. This is the lotion for you. This is ideal for mature skin. It improves the appearance of aging skin. Maybe you're an older person and you're looking for something that will give you that anti-aging effect, keep your skin looking fresh. This is the cream for you. This is what my mom uses. I'll show you a picture. Before and after, I'll show you a picture. All the creams in this video are available for sale. My WhatsApp, the link to my WhatsApp will be in the description box, so check the description box if you are looking for any of the creams and you're interested in buying them. It has a face cream called the NY Clear Skin Glow Face Milk. This contains kojic acid and turmeric oil. Turmeric oil is very good for glowing the skin, guys. If you have discoloration on your face, some dark patches, this will help you with that, and it will glow your skin to give your face a brighter look. The face cream is 5,000 naira. This cream will enhance your complexion to brighten up your skin. This is very lightweight. This lotion, it's almost like water. See, completely dissolved. So if you're enjoying this video so far, smash the like button, subscribe and turn on the post notifications so YouTube keeps showing you my skincare tips and so you don't miss out for the part 2 video. Remember, I'm going to be posting part 2 of lotions that can give you a soft glowy skin. The part 2 is going to be a very affordable version, so subscribe so you don't miss out on that. So the third lotion on our list is the Dang Ageless Restoration Body Moisturizer. Dang stands for Diary of a Niger Girl. I follow her on Instagram and I'm a big fan. If you see this, I love you. So let's carry on with the review. Its main ingredients are niacinamide and N-acetyl glucoside. These are known to brighten the skin and even out the complexion and also help with skin texture. On the website, it says that it prevents aging and provides hydrated smooth skin up to 48 hours. So the price is 12,500 naira. Where to buy? Okay, you can get it from their website. I will set their Instagram handle. There you can chat with them and they'll directly on what to do. They also have a shower gel called the Dang Ageless Exfoliating and Moisturizing Shower Gel with 5% glycolic acid. This is good for people who are dealing with dull skin, to exfoliate and leave your skin and leave it looking brighter and more vibrant. Okay, the price of the shower gel is 10,000 naira. Okay, it says on the website not to use this shower gel on your face, so take note of that if you decide to get it. So the fourth lotion on the list is the Medix 5.5 vitamin C and turmeric body cream. The 5.5 stands for the pH, means it is pH safe for your skin. There are up to 6 variants of this cream. There's the collagen, the hyaluronic acid, the coconut oil version, and the retinol version. So the one I'm going to be talking about is the vitamin C and turmeric oil and turmeric. This cream brightens the skin. It doesn't give any skin issues, skin reactions like knuckles or discoloration. None of the creams I'm reviewing in this video does that, so you don't have to be scared to glow your skin. But the only downside I see about this cream is that it's dry. It's not moisturizing. So if you have a dry skin, either you go for something else or you get a body oil. So some body oils you can use with this cream are, you can get Neutrogena body oil, you can get the Palmer's Cocoa Skin Therapy Oil, also a very good one. You can also get my product, NY Clear Skin Vitamin C Glow Body Oil. Its main ingredients are vitamin C, turmeric, vitamin E, ginseng, and ginger. It promotes a brighter, even toned look. So the 5th cream on our list is Vanicream Moisturizing Cream for sensitive skin. So this one is for those that have sensitive skin. Any small thing that sets your skin off. It's also great for dry skin, but it's good for all skin types, but it will be especially beneficial for a dry, sensitive skin person. This cream is free of some of the most common irritants that sensitize a sensitive skin person. It's free of fragrance, it's free of essential oils, it's free of dyes. The ingredients list is so simple. You can use this both on your face and the body to cut down your skincare routine. If your skin gets red and itchy and sensitized, this cream will help soothe it. According to them on the website, it said it's safe for eczema prone skin. It says that it's dermatologist tested, but dermatologist tested just means that a dermatologist was on board, tested the product. You know, the dermatologist may have actually not liked the product, but they're not required to state that. All they are required to state is dermatologist tested. So it can either be good or bad. A dermatologist can test the product out and he doesn't like it, they still can say dermatologist tested. So it doesn't mean a dermatologist tested it and dermatologist liked it, okay? That's just something you should note. If you have sensitive skin, Vanicream brand is a brand for you to look out for. They have face washes, they have bar soaps, they have body washes, moisturizers, and they are usually safe for sensitive skin. If you want to order any of these lotions, my WhatsApp link is in the description box. Click that to chat with me and order any of these body creams. If you want some personal skincare advice, you can DM me on Instagram. My Instagram is linked in the description below. Just click it and you get to my Instagram. Guys, I post a lot of valuable skincare tips and reviews on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram as well, and also you can follow me on TikTok. If you want to learn how to get a clear, smooth skin, watch this next video.
Okay. My darling, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.